Hi there, students. To incite. Incitement, a noun. Insightful, an adjective. So to incite is to encourage somebody to do something wrong, to encourage them to do something illegal or violent. He incited the protesters to start breaking shop windows, and like that he managed to incite a riot. To start, to provoke, to cause, to stir up, to rouse, to goad into action, but especially for something violent or illegal. The kids in the class incited him to throw a tomato at the teacher. "Oh, go on. I bet you don't dare. You're a coward if you don't do it." This is all incitement, insightful language. His friends incited him to commit the crime, to push somebody to do something wrong. Okay? Now, don't confuse this with insight. An inner view, an inner understanding. Okay, the two words sound the same and they're easily confused, but notice, insight, inner understanding, but the verb to incite. So they have different stress patterns. Okay, insight, inner understanding of something. But we're looking at the verb to incite somebody to do something, to encourage them to do something. It doesn't always have to be something bad, but nearly always it is. The pay rise incited him to work harder. I'd probably use something like encouraged or stimulated, but you could use incite there. Usually to incite, you incite violent, uncontrolled or illegal behaviour. To incite a rebellion, to incite a revolution, to incite violence, to motivate, to prompt, to instigate, to set off, to egg on, to prod, to foment, a formal one. He incited the crowd to take revenge on the police. Notice, to incite somebody to do something, verb, or to incite somebody to, noun. So he incited the crowd to be violent. He incited the crowd to violence. To incite, to urge, or persuade somebody to act violently or illegally. He incited me to beat the boy up. He incited me to steal from the shop. He incited me to boost a bottle of whiskey. Incitement to violence, okay? Insightful language. Notice, to incite is a regular verb. He incited the crowd to act more violently. He has incited them on various different occasions. I'd probably give this verb to incite a 6 in formality. I think if you wanted something very formal, to foment, and something very informal, to egg on. But I think you can use it across the whole range of informal to formal. And as to the origin, we have a Latin word, incitare, in or on, and citare, to set in motion, to urge, to push. Okay, so to incite, to encourage somebody to do something bad. It can be something good, but it's not usual. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Incite.